In this video, I'll show you how to install the hypercar pack in GTA 5. Check my video description for these mods link. Right click on the Hyper Supercar pack and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Close stuff here. Open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed in the web PC, then check my video description for a tutorial video on how to install OpenIV. Once installed done, select this ASI manager and make sure all of three are installed, and then select the edit mode and select the yes option. Open mods, update x64 DLC pack, open hyper supercore pack, drag and drop all the files except the DLC list and simple trainer 5. Drag and drop all these files inside. Once you've done this, scroll down in mods and open this DLC list, copy all these text, and then close. Go back to GTA 5, open mods, update update.rpf, common data DLC list. Just right click and select edit option. Scroll down to the bottom. At this end, press enter, paste the text we copied, and select file to save this. And then go back, open the GTA 5 config, and this folder is for old GTA 5 version users, and this is for new GTA 5 version users. In my case, I'm using new. So open the folder depends on the GTA 5 version, and then for more mods, scroll down and open the stock traffic. Drag and drop this XML file inside the OpenIV. Once you've done this, go back to GTA 5 and go back in mods. Open the script hook 5 bin. Drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Go back, open the script hook5.net. Drag and drop all these files except the text inside of a game folder, and then close stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, press the F8 to open the menu trainer and go to vehicle options, vehicle spawner, super. Here you can able to see all the supercars name. Open the car. As you can see, this first supercar. Here you can able to see Lamborghini, McLaren, every supercars one by one. Sorry, hypercar. Every hypercar you can able to drive on GTA 5. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.